certification gives you credentials and provides expertise. You know, it shows that you've been trained and you know how to perform these cleaning tasks. So there's a lot of value in actually being able to show someone that, you know, you've been trained properly.
We impact a lot of people and a lot of companies with the IICRC in directing them into professionalism so they can become leaders in the industry.
You know, the consumer never asks, are you IICRC certified? I hear that often on the internet. I'm not waiting for people to ask. I'm going to let them know, this is what I do, this is why you want to hire me, versus a person that might be running a machine and experimenting on your carpet right now.
When customers see all your certifications and that, they have a lot more confidence in you and they are more trusting. And it gives you a better chance to help them, because if they don't trust you and don't know you, it's hard for you to be able to help them, no matter how good you are or how honest you are.
Set out a career path of which classes you would need to take to meet what your goal is. But the first thing is you got to realize nobody knows everything. And the longest journey starts with the first step. And the first step is going to a class. And then set your path and follow it.